Hi everyone, this is an electronic radar model which is developed with Arduino board. For this model, components that are used are an ultrasonic sensor to detect object, Arduino board, a breadboard, and a servo motor for rotating purpose. For whole setup, this is the complete coding for Arduino, and also we require a software named as processing software. This is the processing software. Its coding is all different from Arduino. We will require this also to detect any object. So let's see. This is the complete model. If you place any object in front of this radar, then it will easily detect. You can see the range and the angular position for this radar. You can place any object, it can detect any object that placed in front of this. So this is the complete model of an electronic radar. Thank you.